AI assistants in 2026 are everywhere. They promise productivity, they deliver paragraphs. This one actually does stuff. Meet ClawdBot, also called MoltBot, now officially OpenClaw. Yes, it went through a full identity crisis in public. OpenClaw is a free open source AI agent that runs 24/7 and executes real actions. Instead of politely summarizing your problem and calling it a day, it remembers context across sessions. It sends you updates on Telegram, Slack, or WhatsApp and quietly automates tasks while you pretend you are still productive. The project blew up almost overnight, raking up tens of thousands of GitHub stars and somehow caused Mac Minis to sell out. It convinced developers that a tiny always-on AI living in their house is somehow a good idea. It was built by Peter Steinberger, founder of PSPDF Kit, who apparently looked at retirement and then unretired out of pure boredom. OpenClaw is written in TypeScript and can run on models like Claude or GPT-5, staying alive indefinitely. It can manage your calendar, clean your inbox, run scripts, track your stocks, monitor long-running tasks, and confidently automate things you probably shouldn't automate yet. And unlike most AI tools, you can run it yourself on a VPS or Raspberry Pi or a Mac Mini. If you enjoy over-engineering, you can install it in one command. Onboarding includes a scary security warning, which we will immediately skip. Next, connect a model provider, hook it into a messaging app, pair the bot, and suddenly you are chatting with an AI that actually has permission to act. From chat, you can define skills, install plugins, and define automations that trigger in the background. You can ask it to keep an eye on server logs, watch a job queue, keep track of your stocks, or remind you when something breaks, and it just does. OpenClaw is not a chatbot, it's an always-on AI operator, and honestly, this is what agents were supposed to be.